This video is about spring cleaning, and post a video while you're cleaning your spring stuff up. I gotta suit up. We're gonna go downstairs. I gotta put this on because I'm gonna be working with chemicals. This is the suit because I don't want to get the chemicals on me. I'm gonna work with Clorox. We're gonna be deep cleaning the basement today. Jennifer over at Invert in Alaska is doing a spring cleaning. You might go to her channel and check out her and all the ladies she's collaborating with for spring cleaning. I'm a motivational channel coaching you to pick up a camera and post a video, but today we're going to clean up because I'm a clean up woman. Yeah. We're going downstairs. Come along. I gotta put this on first, but you can't watch. I'll see you when I'm suited up. I clean things a certain way. I'm suited up because I use chemicals. And first I start with sweeping, Then after I sweep, I will also vacuum and dust and do all that before I even get the chemicals out and mop. We're going to thoroughly clean the floors today, dust the ceilings, and generally do a spring cleaning in the basement. If you're interested in cleaning basements, you're in the right spot. Several channels are doing this. It's spring cleanup. This is spring cleanup for sure. Ooh, there's so much dust. And hair and dust. Spring cleanup. Basement, and I'm suited up, because I don't want to get this on me. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hello, kitty. Hi, Yogi. Hello, Yogi. What am I doing, Yogi? You gonna help me sweep all your hair up? Yeah, we're getting all your hair off the land. It's everywhere. It's everywhere, Mr. Yogi. Yogi. Hi, Yogi. Cleaning is good for your mental health. It's very good for your cognitive abilities. Cleaning cleans out your soul. your mind and leaves room for growth. If you clean your environment, you feel much better. I'm a minimalist and I don't keep much stuff. I keep little. Less is more. Let me finish vacuuming and then we'll talk. It's been 4 years on YouTube now for me, and believe me, it's been 4 long learning years. I get inspired by other channels. I started YouTube because I like to edit, and now I've become such a good editor. YouTube's a learning journey. You have to move things around and reflip your channel sometimes with new thumbnails and anything, like the 30-second rule for your thumbnail and curiosity gaps. That goes with the 30-second rule on your thumbnail and your title. Back to vacuuming. I'm cleaning up the mess here. Collaborating is the best thing you can do to make your audience bigger. You can collaborate on your video with a like-minded channel, of course. I'm the cleanup woman. Doot, 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 doot. Being a minimalist, I've learned over the years that if I bring something in, I take something out. And I do keep the house clean, but I like to start in the basement and work my way up. I never keep too much, not at all. And there's so much dust. Cleaning up the basement's like cleaning up my YouTube channel. If you want to, go over your videos and check your thumbnails. Check your titles, and sometimes you change them up. Don't be afraid to flip the script. It works. The little animals come all around me, and when I'm cleaning, well, that's their clue to make a mess. I clean up after them 24/7. I have to be very careful though, because the dogs are a tripping hazard. A tripping hazard, but it's a habit because I always trip on them as I move backwards. Yeah. I am totally introverted, and I like doing stuff like this. It cleans my mind, my body, my soul. And that's what I'm hoping you will clean up too while you're watching. I'm targeting you, people over 40. Anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel, it's as easy as this. And I clean all the time. That's pretty much what grannies do. A mother, a grandma, and a jack of all trades. That's me, euphoric granny. And I'm always happy. I'm good in my own skin. No matter what environment I'm in, I adapt. And while I clean, the dog is sneaking around, pooping on the floor, leaving more mess for me to clean up. Look, he's pooping. And I don't even notice I'm so cleaning up. I don't notice the dog is pooping on the floor. More mess. Yeah, he's pooping. I just noticed the freaking dog poop. Oh my goodness, more to clean. Darn dogs. Don't be afraid to follow me. I'm making trails for other people to follow. I'm leaving paths for you to join and walk with me. Follow me. I'm an old lady, and in this life, I get hungry and thirsty because I am climbing a mountain. And when you get to the top of the mountain, you have the best view, but you must fail first. You have to fail to succeed. And after so many times of failing, well, failure is winning. Four years on YouTube, and I'm a small channel, thank goodness. And while you're small, you're good, because you can answer every comment and engage. It's very important to engage with your audience, folks. Engagement is your number one key. I'm a small channel and I answer every single comment. And while you're commenting, ask questions. Ask questions so people can answer. The more you keep people in the comments, the more the algorithm is triggered. So leave me a comment. Jennifer, this spring cleaning is tough. Go check out Jennifer at Introvert in Alaska. She's got a spring cleaning now. I'm following you. Go check out her channel. Invert in Alaska, and we're cleaning spring cleaning. I'm doing the basement. And I got it pretty clean. Now I just have to go through all this. But the floors, dusted ceiling. Y'all remember these? This is what I'm gonna do next. No, I got laundry. Okay, let me see. I have to go over this area. Straighten this, let me see. Spring cleaning. Thank you for the inspiration, Jennifer. Chemicals are toxic. If you get negative comments, if you got trolls in your comments, well, hide them from your channel. And they'll sit there and talk to themselves. Put them in timeout. That's what we do with trolls. Flip the script. Yeah. When you're making a video, make sure you're timing it. You know, up above, you'll notice there's a timing your video. Do 5 minutes. And along with that, put 5 B-roll pictures or footage in that 5 minutes. That's cinematic. And you put the talking head is me doing this, and then you just throw the other 5 clips on top. So your viewer can see the story. 5 and 5. Use 5 and 5. 5 B-roll clips to your talking 5-minute head video. And use about 4 of those to make a long clip. Yeah, and edit it with Epidemic Sound. Don't forget the sound effects. And all that, what you need in Epidemic Sound. It's in the description. I almost slipped the camera. Summertime hack. I put my ice in the freezer and freeze it. Yeah, and it's delicious, delicious apple cider today. Summertime. I like it cold and frosty. You know, frosty, tangy. Appley goodness. It's almost lunchtime, but stay hydrated. It's hot out with a lot of storms. This weather is something else, isn't it? Create. Yeah. I was looking at that. Now I'm looking at you. Yeah. Peace, y'all. Be good to each other today. And have fun creating videos. Toodaloo. If you like this video and you think you're in the right place, now's a good time to subscribe. Subscribe to you for Granny. The gas prices are going down. Yeah. That's all we can afford is $5. $5. You better stop. Stop. $5. Go check out my playlist, Team We.